It says 9 raised to the power x is equal to 45. You're required to solve for x in this question, okay? And the first thing we can do here is to say, let's outline the multiples of 9 and the multiples of 45. Now 9 is equal to 3 multiplied by 3, which is equal to 3 squared, okay? 45 is equal to 3 times 3 times 5, which is equal to 3 squared times 5, okay? Now if we replace these for these numbers in this equation, we have 3 squared raised to the power of x is equal to 3 squared multiplied by 5. Now, what I want to state is this: when you have a to the power of m to the power of n, like this, it's equal to a to the power of m multiplied by n. If we apply this law here, we're going to have that this is now 3 to the power of 2 times s is 2x to be equal to 3 squared multiplied by 5. Now we're going to do something here. We're going to take the logarithm of both sides. So we say the logarithm of 3 to the power of 2x should be equal to the logarithm of 3 to the power of 2 multiplied by 5, okay, in bracket like this. Now this logarithm we're going to take the number in the base of the number carrying x. The number carrying x is 3, so we take the logarithm in base 3 of both sides, okay, because this number carrying x here is 3, alright. Now you have this, so remember that when you have logarithm of a to base b raised to the power of n, it's equal to n multiplied by log of a to the base b. Now using the log, we're going to multiply this number with this log, so this becomes 2x here, multiplying the log, and this power goes out from here, alright. Now continue from here, you can see that you have 2x multiplied by log of 3 to base 3. Log of a number to its own base is 1, so log of a to base a is equal to 1. We'll apply this law here so that we have, and this is 2x because 1 times 1 is 1, alright? It's equal to, now when you have multiplication in log, you split up and put plus, so we have log of 3 squared, then plus log of 5 in base 3, okay? Then this is equal to, again we have 2 multiplied by log of 3 to base 3 is 1, alright? Plus log of 5 to base 3, okay? And remember this is equal to 2x. Hence our x here now be equal to 2 divided by 2 is 1 plus log of 5 to base 3 divided by 2, okay? So this becomes the final answer for x in this question. Thanks for watching. See you guys later.
What's going on, guys? It's Fortune here editing this video. As you can see, about 99% of you guys are not subscribed to the channel, so please subscribe, like, comment, and share my videos, as this helps to push my videos out to more viewers out there. The more you subscribe, the more viewers can see my videos, the more we grow in this community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.